Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, all those who are watching me on various social media platforms, may it be a YouTube channel or Facebook or maybe a Twitter or LinkedIn, maybe Instagram, whatever platforms you people are watching me. We've been discussing about various topics. I'm getting into the micro level of all the topics. This is the third mega topic. We finished hotel owners, we finished hotel consultants with their subtopics. The third one we started yesterday, and it is the initial investigation for the hotel projects. We finished with the feasibility report. Today we are going to discuss in terms of clear mission statement. What do you understand by clear mission statement? Now, before getting into any kind of project, the owners or the developers who are going to develop the hotel, they should be very clear about what exactly is going to come on that particular land or a property. So, mission statement is a clear, concise statement or document which is developed under the guidance of a consultant. It sets the guidelines on format on which the hotel will be classified and the clarity on the type of operations. This particular mission statement also gets all the stakeholders, right from the owner directors to the associate project managers, project staff, vendors, different agencies and consultant. Everybody is aware what exactly is going to come up. So there is clarity and everybody understands what needs to be done and what is required. It is a very important document. I'm sure a lot of people are not following this. I request right things should be followed while doing the project, so that we don't fail or we don't commit mistakes, and maybe at the later stage if you want to sign up a brand, it should not decline your property. Once again, I'm Sailesh Fulsunge, father of a super boy, hotelier with 32 years of experience, Amazon #1 bestseller, founder of Melon Hospitality Private Limited, a steward who transformed into a managing director. Stay connected. I'll be discussing a lot of micro level topics under the initial investigation topic. If you like this video, please click thumbs up, share with your friends, press the bell, subscribe my channel, and stay tuned and stay connected. Lots more to come. Thank you.